Jim Cramer joins us now. Jim, the manufacturing data, remember all the data points that you were looking at and talking to people about?
Cramer's protecting his
he's worried about his time. And talking about things that maybe the Fed didn't see. Do you think this is one of the things that maybe they missed, or is this... I can see some people would like to blame the trade wars. Other people, like the president, is ready to blame Powell for being too tight and the dollar being too strong. It's a bit of both, I guess.
Well, I think there's true. I think that's definitely true. I also think, though, that the GM strike not helping, the fact that our biggest exporter, Boeing, is basically halted its number one seller. Look, is there a slowdown in world commerce? Absolutely. Have we hurt the Chinese? Definitely. Is hurting the Chinese hurt the economy around the world? Absolutely. I think that it would be ridiculous to think that you could have a trade war, not hurt the Chinese, and expect that things would be okay. But I continue to believe. We had you had that Simon Properties, and you had Brad, and you had Rubin on. Michael Rubin. And Rubin's numbers he's up 30%. That is a very big company that he has. And that's domestic sales. And we tend to overlook a guy comes on, Simon Property, supposed to be such a bad group. He's talking pretty bullish. So the domestic, I think, is more a reflection of what Michael Rubin might be thinking than U.S. Steel or Alcoa.
Yeah.
We can't just have a guy on like that with a very big company and say, you know what, the heck with him. I'm very worried about what's happening with cold-rolled steel.
Right.
I think Rubin represents the American economy now.
More so than that. But
don't you think? The guy's no longer like small-time guy.
Are things better than they were when you were really worried about rates being too high, though, Jim?
Well, I think that, look, I do think that when we listen to what Phil LeBeau is going to be talking about, the autos have taken a big step down. But there's no doubt about it that the rates have really helped housing. Lennar's the biggest, and the numbers are really good.
Okay.
But I also think, Joe, that if you have something good right now, nobody cares. And when you see that kind of negativity, you got to start thinking about what to buy, not what to sell. And people just hate, they turn on the market big time. And I think that you got to wait and you take a look. Things come down. Don't hate, like.
Okay, but not Juul. I liked all your tweets.
No, Juul. I'm Juul. I'm more in favor of Juul than Juul.